Welcome to Group 3's video Gratitude to Vietnamese Teachers Day contest. Today we will introduce some interesting scenes in the movie Lifestyle on Earth. This is an Indian school psychological film which was produced in 2007. The film has two main actors. Dashil Safari plays the boy Ishan, and Amir Khan plays the teacher Kanikum. With the skillful narration of Amir Khan, the film rated 8.4 and 10 on IMDb rate and has attracted 96% of people like this movie. So let's enjoy the film with us.
This movie revolves around two main characters are Ashan and Nikam. Ashan Awasti is an 8-year-old child whose world is filled with wonders, but no one appreciates that as isn't important in the world of adults. Under the pressure of his parents and teacher from school, Mark and business, Ashan's spirit is away in the depressive situation and having difficulty in communicating with others. At school, Ashan always failed to absorb knowledge and his grades in almost all subjects are below the average. In class, he is always complained by the teacher because he cannot answer any question correctly. When he gets into far more trouble than his parents can handle, he is packed off to a boarding school to be disciplined. Things are no different as his new goals, and Ashan has to contend by the other trauma of separation from his family. However, everything changes when a new teacher comes into school.
This is from Kanikum, who is the funny and creative teacher. He impressed all students with his creativity and funny class activity, which are not a common teaching method at this school. He seems to break the traditional rules in this place. It may be because he appreciates the differences of children and be inflexible in the way to guide these kids.
Isan's bad situation is completely changed when he met Ram. At New Era School, Nikam found that Isan was not into class activities, and he recognized Isan's poor academic results at the sign of dyslexia. One day, Nikam visited Isan's home and had to talk with his parents about the dyslexia disease of Isan. However, his parents did not believe in this observation, and they claimed the poor academic performance of Isan was due to his laziness and unintelligence. Later, Nikam decided to spend more time with this boy and help him to overcome this situation by telling a story about a famous person who had dyslexia. He also became Isan's tutor and tried to improve Isan's reading and writing skills. Gradually, Isan became interested in linguistics and mathematics, and his performance improved significantly.
With the help of teacher Nikam and his efforts, Isan overcame dyslexia disease. This boy used to find the math problems very difficult and the words jumping in front of his eyes. But now, his grades have improved dramatically. When he got low marks, his teachers labeled him as a kid. The boy was ignorant and spoiled. At the end of the school year, the teachers organized an art competition for all teachers and students. In this contest, Isan achieved the prize with his outstanding creative style. The whole school stood up and clapped admiringly to congratulate Isan. Later, the teachers thanked their view of him. Everyone looked at him in admiration and gave him many compliments. At the end of the movie, when Isan's parents met the teacher, they were speechless by Isan's sudden transformation. Asian parents changed their view and tried to spend more time with their son, especially taking care of him more.
We have observed the transformation of a little boy with dyslexia problem from a poor performing child to a successful boy. Thanks to the great support from his art teacher, Ethan can overcome the disease and get closer to his parents, teachers, and friends.
The film captures on the pain of children in their early age and the passion of teachers. The role of teachers is encapsulated more fully than any other movies. Fully understanding a child is a time-consuming process that not all of us can pass over. The film gives a big motivation for all parents and teachers by showing a typical example. Teachers and families should know what children want. We cannot use the same ways to treat all children. Each child possesses a kind of intelligence, so parents should try to discover the strength of children instead of forcing them. Let's try to understand their emotions and realize children's ability. Education system really needs to have enthusiastic and flexible teachers to support students developing their strength along with parents and families. This is the end of movie review. By this, we would like to say thank you to all of the Vietnamese teachers who always take care of us wholeheartedly. Happy Teachers' Day!